Embarking on an adventure travel journey? Packing efficiently is crucial for a secure and unforgettable experience. Start with a sturdy and comfortable backpack suitable for the duration and nature of your adventure. Pack moisture-wicking base layers, fast-drying shirts and pants, insulating layers, waterproof and windproof outer shell, sun protection gear, comfortable and durable underwear and socks, gloves, and a warm hat for cold environments. Opt for hiking boots or trail shoes with excellent traction and bring flip-flops or camp shoes for relaxation days. Carry a lightweight and compact sleeping bag, an insulated sleeping pad or mat, and a portable pillow or stuffed sack. Consider a tent, cookware, utensils, a portable stove, fuel, waterproof matches, a collapsible water container, and a purification method. Adventure travel can be transformative. With the right gear and preparation, you'll be ready to tackle the unfamiliar and create enduring memories. Safe travels